only because of this. Yeah. You know what? Let's try, man. Come on, fuck that. Let's go, man. Let's go. Rinetti. Only the emote. Come on, man. Was soll das, Digga? Was soll dieser Schmutz? Ich will das. Digga, wollt ihr mich verarschen oder was, Digga? Jetzt muss ich das alles kaufen? Was für ein Schmutz. Oh, come on. Фу, блядь, сука. Параша ебаная, блядь.
Um den zu bekommen, kannst du durchziehen.
Ich schwör's, ich glaube, ich muss zu Ende machen, Digga. Вот же хуйня, блядь. Digga, so ein Quatsch, man. I don't need this rubbish things. I only need the emote. Yes, yes.
Du hast einen Buff.
Thank you, my G, bro. A man like Wheezy's in the building. Welcome, bro.
Yes.
Welcome.
You my guy.
My guy. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate your buff, bro. Thank you. I hope you're doing well, my G. Oh, my days, man. Oh, my days. The reason why I started spinning this rubbish lucky draw is only because of this nice emote, man. Yes, man. This is what I'm talking about. Yes. You have heard already about the
Have a
boomerang.
great stream, my guy.
Boomerang, bro. You know what I'm talking about? Karma. And what is the karma, bro? This is the karma, bro. It comes always
You
back.
are right, Karma.
This is the karma, bro. You get my point. Finally, man. But you know what? I'm gonna still spin it to the end. Because there's only like one, two, three. Usually the emote comes so early, yeah, when I spin the lucky draw, but this time the most expensive thing is the emote here, I think. Oh, thank you, Activision. Thank you. 1,400. I'll take that. All right.
Ó, eita!